The word adobo is derived from the Spanish word adobar, which means marinade or pickling sauce. According to the food historian Raymond Sokolov, the ingredients for adobo already existed in the Philippines before Spaniards even laid eyes on the shores. Like many cultures based in warm climates, Filipino natives developed various methods of preserving food. They cooked using moist heat methods like steaming or boiling. To keep their edibles fresh for a longer period, they used plenty of vinegar and salt. When the Spanish first explored the Philippines in the late 16th century, they encountered a cooking process that involved stewing with vinegar. The existence of the tangy dish was first recorded in 1613 by the Spaniard Pedro de San Buenaventura. In the dictionary he was compiling, Buenaventura listed the tart-viad as adobo de los naturales for its similarity to Spanish and Mexican dishes that went by the same name. The Chinese traders who later visited the islands ventured all over the region selling their wares, brought with them a number of ingredients that were quickly adopted by the locals, including noodles and soy sauce to early Filipinos. It soon found its way into our nameless vinegar-braised dish, eventually displacing salt altogether and evolved to adobo we know today.
Ayun na, mga kabayan, samahan niyo ako magluto ng paborito nating lahat, adobo. Mga sangkap: sibuyas, bawang, magic sarap, toyo, asukal na pula, dahon ng laurel, baboy na iniwa-hiwa sa maliliit, paminta at suka. Igisa muna natin ang bawang, sibuyas, at baboy. Lagay ang toyo. Magic sarap. Dahon ng laurel at paminta. Suka at tubig. Hayaang kumulo hanggang lumambot ang baboy. Kunting kulo pa hanggang sa lumapot ang sauce.